Imagine holding a device so phenomenally disruptive that it doesn't just play games. It completely shatters the barrier between home console luxury and portable freedom all over again. For nearly a decade, the gaming world has lived in a state of compromised harmony. We fell in love with the magic of taking our favorite worlds on the go, but we always knew the tax we had to pay. We accepted the blurry resolutions, the dropping frame rates, the heavily downgraded ports, and the muddy textures because we believed that true, next-generation visual fidelity was physically impossible in a portable form factor. We told ourselves that a handheld could never stand toe-to-toe with the massive, power-hungry consoles sitting under our televisions. But right now, Nintendo is preparing to tear down that wall of compromise and unleash a pocket-sized titan that will completely alter the landscape of interactive entertainment forever. This is the dawn of the Nintendo Switch 2. This is not a subtle, safe, incremental hardware refresh. This is a total ground-up architectural revolution that brings genuine, high-end modern console power directly into the palm of your hands, completely rewriting the rules of gaming on your own terms. To truly comprehend the sheer scale of the engineering miracle hidden inside the sleek new machine, you have to look beneath the refined chassis and dive into the hyper-advanced silicon driving this system. Nintendo has completely thrown out the outdated mobile processors of the past and partnered with cutting-edge silicon engineers to craft a bespoke gaming powerhouse built on a highly advanced, ultra-dense nanometer architecture. This isn't a recycled tablet chip. This is a custom-engineered gaming monster designed specifically for handheld supremacy. The internal architecture features an unprecedented array of high-performance processing cores paired with a revolutionary graphics engine that introduces a piece of technological wizardry previously locked away on high-end desktop PCs. Advanced, hardware-accelerated artificial intelligence upscaling and ray tracing pipelines. When you boot up a demanding, sprawling open-world masterpiece on this machine, the graphics engine doesn't just struggle to get by, it completely thrives. It reconstructs pixels in real time with flawless mathematical precision, delivering crisp, high-definition visuals and stunning lighting effects that look absolutely breathtaking, completely defying the physical dimensions of the device. But raw processing power is a dangerous weapon if a handheld device turns into a scorching hot piece of plastic that burns your fingers and thermal throttles after 20 minutes of intense gameplay. This is where Nintendo's thermal engineering geniuses pulled off a massive triumph. They completely discarded traditional, basic cooling loops and invented a highly refined, low-profile active thermodynamic management system. This network utilizes a whisper-quiet microfan paired with an advanced internal liquid vapor chamber that draws heat away from the custom silicon with staggering speed. Whether you are laying completely flat on your bed looking up at the ceiling, sitting upright on a crowded cross-country flight, or docking the system to a massive living room television, the thermal system maintains absolute peak efficiency. The fan operates in near-total silence, ensuring you never hear a distracting mechanical buzz during quiet, atmospheric moments in a game. The advanced geometry of the chassis routes heat completely away from the ergonomic hand grips, keeping the controller areas perfectly cool and comfortable to the touch.